Hey guys, welcome back to Team DTV, and we are now driving the 2025 Isuzu Mu-X. This is the LSE variant, top of the line na 4x2. This will be our family car for the weekend, another practical, relatable use test drive. We will use the car as a family over the weekend. Try natin kung saan tayo pwedeng pumunta. I want to go somewhere na may paakyat para makita natin yung power nitong Isuzu Mu-X, and may share ko sa inyo kung ano yung experience para makita nyo yung very realistic na application of the car, and you can make a decision if this is the right car for you. Stay tuned because hindi lang ako magdadrive nito. I'm gonna let Madam Pea drive this, and then si Achi. Wow, ayan na yung ulan, biglang buhos. Si Achi ang nagdadrive. Pakinggan din natin yung mga opinion nila, yung feedback nila. You get to hear from me, a guy driver, a daddy driver, and two lady drivers. One mommy and one from the younger generation. Okay? So this will be another exciting one. So please stay tuned and join us. Before we proceed, we would like to thank Isuzu Alabang for lending us the Mu-X. Isuzu Alabang is located at 1780 Alabang Zapote Road, corner Acacia Avenue, Muntinlupa, Metro Manila. Very accessible from Alabang Zapote Road. They are a block away from Molito Lifestyle Center and 2 blocks away from Alabang Town Center. Also accessible via SLEX just a few minutes after you exit Alabang or Philinvest. Isuzu Alabang has a complete lineup of trucks. Here you can see the N-Series, the Travis, and the different variants of the D-Max and the Mu-X. Spacious and comfortable customer lounge. Parts are available when you need them. They also have a wide range of accessories like mag wheels, utility rack, auxiliary lights and fog lamps, sun visors, step seals, etc. etc. They also have a big service area to accommodate you during your PMS or when your Isuzu needs servicing. I will put their contact numbers in the description. Call them for more details. Okay, so palabas na tayo, papunta tayo ng SLEX, pabalik tayo ng Maynila, and yeah, first few kilometers coming from Alabang, first few impressions. This reminds me of Doug, yung dati namin Ford Everest. Nakakatuwa ulit yung I miss yung ganitong sitting position. Mataas yung ground clearance niya. Very parang napaka-invincible ng dating. Parang kahit may baha dyan, kahit malubak dyan, parang wala akong pakialam. And yeah, this is the top of the line. So this is the 3.0. I can hear the engine. It's trying to communicate with me. Parang sinasabihan ako, ano na, tara na. Antay ka lang sa expressway. Makakabuelo ka rin. By the way, yung Trip A, nireset natin. Yan ang pagbabasehan natin later ng fuel consumption. Bibigyan ko kayo ng feedback about that. Pero, unahan ko na kayo, hindi tayo magpo-full tank method ha. Okay, so papasok na tayo ng SLEX. Subukan natin. Okay. 38, 48, 49, 54. Wow, gandang acceleration. Wow. Oh, ayan. Nakabuelo ka na. Hanggang 89 lang naman tayo. Maganda, maganda. Maganda ang hataw. Well, of course, expected mo yun kasi turbo diesel to, di ba? So, yung first, mga first 1,800, 1,900 RPM, medyo nagbi-build up pa muna yung pressure. Pero once na, ayan, pag lumagpas na siya ng 2,000 RPM, ramdam mo na, nagbo-boost na yung turbo, humahataw na talaga. Nandito na tayo sa toll gate, galing sa Isuzu Alabang, hanggang dito is 15 kilometers. Tumakbo tayo dito sa SLEX, average lang ng mga 65 to 70 kilometers per hour. And ang sinasabi niya rito, average fuel consumption is 13.2. Wow! Ang tipid, no? Pero yung average speed natin, again, coming from Isuzu Alabang, hanggang papunta dito, nasa 28 kilometers per hour. Yun yung average speed natin. Matipid so far. Right now, nandito kami sa Calax. Kaka-exit lang namin ng SLEX. So, kasama ko si Madam Pea, Andiyan sa likod si Achi and then si Dichi. Magbe-breakfast kami sa Tagaytay just para, ma-test drive tong Isuzu MU-X. Masarap dalhin to sa Tagaytay para ma-testing natin yung power niya sa akyatan. Tanungin muna natin tong dalawa sa likod. Achi, Dichi, kumusta ang comfort dyan sa second row? Okay. Tulog na naman agad yung isa. Okay, nandito na tayo sa umpisa na ng paakyat ng Tagaytay. So medyo tapakan natin ng konti. Ayan, nakahinga na ng mabuti yung 3.0 turbo diesel engine natin. Wala, basic. Basic na basic umakyat. Well, maririnig mo yung maririnig mo na medyo nagiging louder yung engine, of course, pero at some point hanggang doon na lang siya, tapos parang mas nagiging pino. Alam mo yun, yung gusto niya yung medyo high revving. Yung fuel consumption natin, Isuzu Alabang, papuntang pabalik na Maynila, going to EDSA. So nag-SLEX tayo. Umabot to ng almost 11 kilometers per liter. Matipid. And then, napatraffic tayo sa BGC. Bumaba yung average niya ng 8.5. Still not bad. Tapos ngayon, papunta dito ng Tagaytay, umakyat na siya ulit ng 10.7. Sa ganitong behavior, kasi I can confidently say na sa behavior na to, matipid to kumpara sa yung mga dating na drive kong mga PPV na diesel. Huwag na natin pag-usapan yung kung sino yun, kung anong model yun. Pero, ang dami ko kasing mga fuel test consumption na ginawa. Eto, ramdam ko kaagad. Matipid. Okay, dito tayo sa The View. So, nandito kami ngayon sa The View. We have never been here. Actually, wala kaming malinaw na plan when we left Manila. Basta sabi namin, tara, kumain lang tayo ng breakfast sa Tagaytay just to test the MU-X nga. So anyway, on our way, si Achi ang nag-search and we just decided to go here. So, pakita ko sa inyo yung menu mamaya and then hopefully masarap. Pero so far, okay naman yung service nila dito. And nag-order na kami and we're just waiting for our food. So, eto, this is their coffee barako. Okay naman so far. And sa'yo, Achi, ano yung in-order mo?
I got iced chai latte.
Iced chai latte. Okay. Dichi, sa'yo, ano yan?
Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate? Why? What's funny? And then si Madam Peya, ayan. Nakabarako din siya. Masarap? Pasado ba sa'yo? Okay. Maganda rito kasi, ayan. May open window. Well, I mean, maganda yung view. And then yung taal. May konti pang mga fog. And then meron din dito silang maliit na area where pwede ka mag-coffee. Pero ang lamig. Hindi ko kaya dyan. Wow. That's the corned beef?
Homemade daw yan.
Homemade corned beef. Gourmet beef burger.
That's the...
And this is the club sandwich. Ayan. Yes. Share lang kami ni Madam Peya. Thank you. So, Achi, how's your corned beef?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. It's their own, It's homemade.
It's homemade nga eh. Patry nga ako. Try just the corned beef. Para matikman ko talaga. Lasang ano nga. Alam mo yung lasa ng ng homemade. Hindi delata. Sarap. Dichi, how's your burger?
Yummy. I like the onion. It's caramelized.
Yan, that was the reason ba't mo in-order yan eh, because of the caramelized onion eh, no? But how's the, how about the beef patty?
It's yummy. It's juicy.
Oh, sarap. Patry nga ako. Give me one slice. Just the beef. Okay. Ayos lang. Hindi ko masyadong type. Parang Parang may mga extenders. Hindi ko masyadong na-feel na katikman yung beef. Unlike nung corned beef, yun talaga beef. Ito, ewan ko. Madam Peya, kumusta ang club sandwich natin?
Okay naman.
Ha?
Okay naman. Madami siyang halo. Pero maliit lang yung bread niya. Medyo bitin lang. Mas
Pero,
madami yung halo.
well, malilit yung size ng bread. Pero marami naman. I think sakto lang to sa ating dalawa. In terms of serving, mukhang okay siya. Pero yung lasa, how is it?
Combine. All
Panalo?
combine.
Sige nga, patry nga ako isang... Yan. Isang bite na yan. Yan.
Oh no, we didn't.
Sarap. Masarap. Dahil mamaya pa may hot sauce na. Pag may tabasco. Okay, so tapos na kami mag-breakfast at pababa na kami ng Tagaytay. Medyo surprising. Kakaunti ang tao ngayon sa Tagaytay, ano? Kasi kami, pag umakit talaga kami dito, maaga para ganito mga 10 pababa na para yung mga paakyat pa lang hindi namin makasabay sa traffic. Pero right now kakaunti ang tao doon sa taas sa Tagaytay and mahina din yung traffic ng mga paakyat. Ano kayang meron? So, ano ngayon tawag dito?
Slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
Oh, may ganun siya. It's a payday weekend. Usually matao, di ba? So anyway, so guys, as you can see, ayan na si Madam Peya, siya nagda-drive pag mula doon sa The View. So may ilang kilometers na rin siyang nagda-drive nitong Isuzu MU-X LSE 4x2. Nangingin ng cellphone mo? So ano Madam, kumusta?
So far, medyo nag-adjust pa ako sa pero okay na. Yung gusto ko yung view para ako may big screen.
May big screen.
Siya, parang
maganda
makikita
yung
mo lahat, tsaka mataas.
Yung ride height mo, di ba? Parang mas mas confident ka, kitang-kita mo lahat. Parang naalala mo si Doug, yung Everest natin.
Pero mas pa nga to
Mas mataas pa.
Mas mataas pa to.
Oh, okay.
Si Doug kasi parang medyo lubog ng konti compared dito.
Okay. Yeah, kasi mataas nga ang beltline. Mataas nga ang beltline nun, tapos ang level ng upuan medyo nakababa ng konti.
Slow down.
Medyo nanibago ako sa ito, yung manibela niya.
Sa steering. Why?
Medyo hindi siya ganun kalambot.
Yung steering. Yes, medyo, well, understandable yan kasi nakaano pa to hydraulics pa to, hindi pa to EPAS, hindi pa to electronic power assist na steering. So, nature nila yan. Yeah, kahit ako kanina, doon ako medyo nanibago rin. And then, kumusta naman yung hindi ka ba naiingayan sa makina?
Sakto lang. Hindi
Hindi naman annoying, Exactly. Okay.
Tsaka, maganda kasi lahat ng lubak dinadaanan ko. Joke lang. Hindi, nag-enjoy ako sa lubak.
Kasi di ba kay Panchita, medyo talagang careful tayo, iniiwasan natin. Ito, pagka nagugulat ka na may lubak pala,
Kayang-kaya.
parang walang guilt feeling na may nadaanan kang lubak. Baka na mag-aalala ka, baka may nasira or something. Yes. Malaki ang gulong.
Okay naman so far yung buong driving experience.
Okay. How about yung brakes? Kumusta?
Well, yung brakes, yung brake kasi pag inaapa mo siya, soft sa umpisa and then mag-work siya kaagad.
Okay.
So, hindi ko alam kung yun. Well, kung marunong ka mag-anticipate, okay siya kasi kumbaga may spacing pa bago mag-work.
Okay. So pagtapak mo, parang medyo soft na.
Oo. So papunta
malambot
siya doon na alam mong mag-i-stop. Natatansya mo yung pag-stop mo.
Okay.
Kasi sometimes yung ibang car, pag inapakan mo, brake agad. Kung mali yung anticipation mo, malayo pa naman. So parang bigla kang stop.
Slow down.
Tulad yan.
Crossing.
Slow down. Pedestrian crossing.
So, tuturuan ka ng tamang driving.
Hindi naman, may warning. So, ganda, no? May ganyan siyang feature. Okay, pagdating naman sa engine response, engine power, kumusta? Pagtapak mo sa accelerator, gusto mo yung response niya?
Okay naman.
Okay naman. Mas maganda siguro pinag-drive kita kanina nung paakyat tayo. Ngayon kasi pababa. So, hindi mo masyadong ma-feel yung power niya. Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Nuvali for a quick stop para mapag-usapan natin yung bagong design nitong Isuzu MU-X LSE 4x2 automatic transmission. Isuzu is calling this as the improved MU-X. Ano bang bago sa kanya? So obviously yung sa front, no, mas maangas. They call this the fighter jet bumper. Okay? One very obvious change or improvement na ginawa nila sa looks dito is the very aggressive grill. Ang ganda, mas bumagay sa overall body design at medyo pinalit nila yung logo dito. Mas minimalist. And then, bagong LED headlight. Dynamic blade by LED headlamp with daytime running lights. And then we have a fog lamp here. Tapos meron ka ditong air dam. This is actually tagusan siya. So, aerodynamic. And then here naman, we have a new design ng mag wheels niya. Very aggressive. New stylish 20-inch alloy wheels. Isuzu calls this as the dynamic turbine design wheels. Two-tone na rin siya. And the size is, I'm not sure if this is the same size as the previous MU-X, but this is 265, 50, 20. Ang laki ng gulong, size 20. And bagay na bagay sa overall size ng sasakyan. Signature tailgate and rear combination lamp. And now, the Isuzu MU-X has an automatic tailgate. Yan. Nice. This is the 3.0 4JJ3 TCX 4-cylinder inline blue power diesel engine with turbo intercooler. Maximum power is 190 PS at 3,600 RPM, and the maximum torque is 450 at 1,800 to 2,800 RPM. Fuel tank capacity is 80 liters, and the transmission is 6-speed automatic with sequential shift. Front suspension is double wishbone coil spring, while the rear is 5-link coil spring and stabilizer bar. Dito naman sa second row, to access the third row, open mo to dito. This will automatically tumble, ganyan, and then maluwag na. So, pasasakay natin si Achi tsaka si Dichi para makita natin yung space sa third row. Alright? Ito yung driving position ni Madam Pea. 5'6" ang height niya. So, ayan. Ayan pa yung space na natitira. Okay? Unfortunately, itong second row, hindi mo na to ma-adjust forward or backward. But the question is, masikip ba o maluwag sa likod? Tingnan nyo naman sila. So, open ko lang to. Ayan. Maluwag. Wow! Ang luwag, oh. Maluwag. And then, kumusta yung thighs nyo? Hindi naman nakaangat, eh, no? Comfortable. Can you recline? Ito talagang Isuzu MU-X. Kahit nung unang labas nito na nakita ko to sa Miyas yata yon, sa Miyas yata 2022 yata or 23, hindi ko na maalala. Basta the first time na ni-review ko to, ang napansin ko talagang gusto ko sa kanya is yung third row seat. If I'm not mistaken, sa category ng mga PPV, siya ang may pinakamaluwag na third row. Guys, take note, si Achi and si Dichi nasa 5'3", 5'4" ang height nila. Sarado ko ulit para makita nyo. Ayan. So, I think isang maghapon na malling, paikot-ikot sa city, kaya dito. What do you think? Long drive going to Bicol? Okay dyan? Not that long, no? Pero, yung usual nating Saturday, we go to the mall, grocery, magsisimba, and then uwi, maghapon paikot-ikot, sakay baba. I think okay lang, no? Mga trips to Batangas, Subic, kaya. Comfortable talaga sa likod. Okay, meron tayong grab handle dito kasi mataas ang ground clearance. Very convenient. Okay. I like the predominantly black interior color. Tapos may konting accent ng aluminum dito. Here you have a black piano parang frame that holds together all your power window controls and door locks, and side mirror control. This is soft touch material, plastic in black piano finish, and then also plastic, medyo matte black. And this one is leather, and of course may white stitching ka dito. And here the steering wheel, I like the diameter. Hindi masyadong malaki, hindi rin maliit. And I also like the grip. Alright, and then nandito yung volume controls for your phone, and nandito yung cruise control, and meron ka ring black piano finish dito. And then up here sa dashboard, soft touch, parang leather, I'm not sure, pero yes, parang leather yung material niya dito, and it gives the overall dashboard look very premium. And then here, you have a 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment. Meron na siyang wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. So right now, my phone is connected. Ayan. There. So maganda din naman yung resolution niya. The font size is just right. Sakto sa akin na, you know, I'm starting to wear reading glasses. So without reading glasses, malinaw sa akin yan. So yeah, medyo malaki, which is good. Wireless charging pad ka na rin. So right now, it's charging. So very convenient. Okay? So hindi ka malulobat agad-agad while using your wireless Android Auto. One thing I noticed though, kasi ayan, di ba, may naka-red. Pag nilagay mo yung phone mo, supposed to be magta-turn to green yan pa nagcha-charge. But with my phone's casing, nagbi-blinking red siya. So, well, anything that says red or blinking red is not good, right? So, hindi siya nagcha-charge. Umiinit naman siya, pero hindi nagcha-charge yung phone. So, kaya ang ginagawa ko, tinatanggal ko to. So, the entire trip from Manila to Tagaytay, tinanggal ko muna siya sa case. So, pag nilagay mo na siya dyan ngayon, ayan, color green na, and ayun, confirmed, nagcha-charge na siya, 58%. So, along with the new black interior design, may kasama na rin siyang ambient lighting. Okay? So, sana nakikita nyo to. Alam ko, it's broad daylight, tanghaling tapat. Ayan, may color blue right now, nakatago dito. And then, meron din dito sa mga door panels. Ayan, ambient lighting. All around, hanggang dun sa second row. And meron siyang blind spot detection. Nice. Wow, ayan na yung ulan. Biglang buhos. Ang lalaki, ang lalakas. Si Achi ang nagda-drive. Biglang buhos, oh. Mahina yung road visibility doon sa kabilang lane. And this is the advantage kapag high ground clearance. Kayang-kaya yung mga ganitong baha. Ayan, finally, tumila na yung ulan.
No, we're just under
Oh yeah, we're just under the skyway. Ay, hindi, medyo mahina na rin naman. But anyway, so ayan, napalaban si Achi sa traffic kanina, biglang ulan. So she's been driving since dun pa sa may Shell, ano, sa may Santa Rosa. So ano, kumusta Achi? How is it driving the MUX LSE 4x2 automatic transmission sa highway?
Good naman. Very good.
Very
I
good?
Like that, yeah.
Ano yung major adjustment mo?
The brake is very, very gaan.
Oh, same kay Mami. Ang lambot to ng brakes.
Yeah.
Is it a good thing?
For me, no. Kasi my foot has to be extra sensitive to how it stops.
Okay, pero nakapag-adjust ka naman na, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was worse kanina when bago pa lang.
How about the engine power?
Okay naman. Pag-accelerate niya and everything.
Yeah, keeping up with
Yeah.
What do you call this? The speed limit.
Mhm.
Okay naman.
Sakto lang yung yung pag-arangkada niya. Hindi yung parang may delay.
Oh, okay. How about the engine noise?
I don't notice it.
You don't notice it, meaning it doesn't annoy you.
Yeah.
Annoy you.
Yeah.
Okay, so good. How about the steering wheel?
Mabigat.
Yan ang one of the adjustments talaga from Panchita. No?
Yeah.
So yeah, like what I explained to Mami kanina, kay Madam Pea, kasi nakaano pa to, hydraulics pa yung power steering nito.
Pero for the feel of the car, it doesn't feel odd naman. It feels
Yeah.
normal.
Parang it matches.
It matches
with the big,
Yeah.
the size of the car, no?
Yeah, it's just an adjustment for me kasi galing kay Panchita na super gaan.
Okay, how about the suspension?
Oh yeah, it's
Okay lang?
Yeah.
You don't find it matagtag?
No.
No? Nandito na kami sa Ayala. Dadaan daw kami ng Glorieta for doon daw kami mag-grocery sa SM. Ayan, One Ayala parking. Subukan natin. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-park dyan. So, si Achi pa rin ang driver. Medyo humina na yung ulan. So, very thankful kami kanina kasi buti napansin namin may sinasuggest si Maps. Grabe yung traffic sa SLEX kanina. Biglang buhos yung ulan. Sobrang traffic starting Alabang all the way to Bikutan. Buti na lang si Maps nagsuggest na mag-service road kami. Okay, nandito na kami sa loob ng parking ng One Ayala. Napapalaban si Hachi sa pagmaniobra. I think so. Ayun nga, yung Hilux din, umatras. Hindi nakuha ng Bumuel ako dito sa right para hindi kakapusin. Kasyang kasya. Ayun, Ayan, tingnan natin si Hachi magpa-park. Napapalaban na naman siya sa parking. So maganda dito sa One Ayala, maluluwag naman yung parking space. Kabisado nyo ng pagpa-park ng reverse Tingnan natin sa kabilang side. Oh, papantayin niya yan. Align na align yan dyan. Parallel yan sa guhit. Yan ang turo ko sa kanya. As much as possible, mag-park beside a post. Ayan, para wala ka ng katabi sa kanan. And then, isasagad niya dito sa kanan. Para maluwag dito sa kabila. Iwas dent sa mga pinto. Hindi ka naman nahirapan
Medyo okay din yung 360 camera.
Why?
It was beeping so hard already when hindi accurate.
Yeah, kasi very very close ka na kasi.
No, I mean, on the camera, it looks closer than what it actually is.
Sadya yun. Para to make you give more allowance. Para hindi ka sumabit. Tapos na kami mag-grocery. Dadaan muna kami dito sa Stuff. Ito yung favorite naming Mexican restaurant dito sa... honestly, nalilito pa rin ako. Glorieta 5 ba to or One Ayala? Bira kami mapadpad dito But every time na mapunta kami dito, madalas kami kumain dito sa Stuff. Kung mahilig kayo sa mga Mexican food, ito yung parang chipotle natin subukan nyo, masarap to. Okay. Put this down. Ayan. Wow, ang luwag. Okay. Ang luwag-luwag po. Okay, we are back on the road and si Achi ulit ang nagda-drive. So, Achi, so far, kumusta? Kanina medyo napalaban ka sa traffic, git-gitan and all.
Mas mahirap yung paglabas sa parking. Daming turns. No,
But how is it kanina?
sa traffic, it's okay. It's just like Dag, but slimmer actually. It feels slimmer.
Slimmer. So, that makes it easier
Yeah,
kapag nag-change lane ka?
yeah. It doesn't feel so bulky.
How's your sitting position and the two side mirrors, the rear view mirrors? Kasi yun yung mga, those are the tools that you need when you, pag nasa traffic ka and you need to, change lanes.
I like the side mirrors actually. It's big. I don't know if it's big or big.
Yeah,
Ang daming kita.
it's big and syempre factor din yung pagkakaposition nila dyan, yung sa perspective ng driver. So, all good for you so far? Yung mga ganyan.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Dichi, how about you? How's the comfort? Because you've been sitting there most of the time.
I was able to nap for the ride going and the ride back.
Okay, comfortable.
Yeah. It's cool.
Hindi malog.
A little bit, but it's normal for a car.
It's normal.
Naman may gyroscope.
Okay, as long as you're happy. So, yung kamag-anak namin, hinatid lang namin dito sa bus terminal sa Litex. And pakita ko lang sa inyo, ito, merong halos kasing laki ng malaking tawag dito, balikbayan box. 2 piraso, kasyang-kasya dito. Hindi kailangang ma-occupy yung pinold ko lang yung second row para makita ng camera. Pero maluwag na maluwag. So, bali, I would say, 2 malaking balikbayan box, kasya sa third row seat. So, it's a Sunday and date lang kami ni Madam Pea dito sa Pandan Asian Cafe. Hindi pa kami nakakapunta dito. It's our first time, so susubukan lang namin. Ayan. It's a fusion of Malaysian, Indonesian. Thank you. Hello. Mas nabera yung kadate ko. What do you call this? Buko crumble. Sige nga. It looks interesting. Bestseller daw nila to.
Yeah, isa sa bestseller. Parang buko pa lang naman.
Sige nga. Try mo. Ooh. Parang buko pie. Oo nga, no?
May crumble.
Hindi ako nakapagsalita. Buko crumble nga. Parang buko pie na may crumble. Ito naman yung sticky rice. Mango sticky rice, ano? Masarap ba?
Ano?
Mmm.
Sarap?
Mas gusto ko yan. Classic na yan. Sarap. Okay, ito naman yung coffee nila. This is Americano. Okay lang. Gusto ko kasi mas matapang pa eh. Yun pala yung pinakang sarap niya. Nasa middle. Nasa ilalim. Ito na talagang masarap. Ngayon ko lang natikman yung totoong flavor niya. Okay, gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung interior lighting. So, ayan yung infotainment natin and andun yung instrument cluster. Ang ganda ng contrast. Ayan yung mga ilaw ng steering wheel. And then dito sa may center console, andyan yung cambio natin, yung shifter. Ayan. And then, andun sa dashboard, yung blue ambient light. Alright? And then, dito rin sa left side, sa may door, sa driver's side, ambient lighting. Dito rin sa second row, ayan ang itsura niya. Okay? And then, tingnan nyo rin yung buga ng headlight. Napakaliwanag. Ang ganda ng visibility sa unahan. Okay? And then, iba-bright ko. Ayan. Maganda ang cut-off ng LED. And then, dito naman sa front, yung exterior lights niya. Ayan. So, there's your headlight, your fog lamp. Maganda. Ayan. Kita mo yung angas nung singkit. Singkit yung ilaw niya, pero ang lakas ng ilaw. And then, dito naman sa likod, ayan, ganyan ang itsura niya. Nice. And by the way, ayan yung number na pwede nyo tawagan kung gusto nyo magpa-schedule ng test drive. Tinapakan ni Madam Pea yung brakes, kaya eto, umiilaw yung third brake lamp. And then dito naman sa side mirror, very visible yung repeaters natin dito sa side mirror. Ayan. We had fun. Nag-enjoy kami gamitin tong Isuzu MU-X LSE 4x2 automatic transmission. We really like the high ground clearance. Nagustuhan namin yung very roomy interior space, and uulitin ko, sa lahat ng PPV na na-try ko, yung third row talaga nitong MU-X ang pinakamaluwag. And like what Achi and DG said, they are comfortable sitting on the third row seat. There are times na meron cargo na kailangan ikarga. 2 malaking balikbayan boxes, kasyang-kasya. The entire test drive namin ito, we traveled a total of 230. Nasa trip A tayo. 230.5 kilometers. So, combination yun ng highway sa SLEX and then city driving. Look, ang average speed natin is 20 kilometers per hour. So, ganun ka bagal. So, with an average speed of 20 kilometers per hour, ang average fuel consumption umabot pa ng 11 kilometers per liter. I can clearly remember sa ganitong driving condition, yung dati naming diesel na PPV, hindi umaabot ng ganyan. So, totoo ang mga sinasabi, totoo ang chismis na pag Isuzu matipid. If you are interested, ilalagay ko yung number, yung mga contact persons natin sa Isuzu Alabang. Call them, i-test drive nyo para masubukan nyo at ma-experience nyo yung mga sinasabi namin. Okay? So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as always, please drive safe. Bye. Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.